Xiphiqo xa gezi laha tikweni xi tikomba xi ri kule no fika emakumu. Xiyenge xa rihanyo hi xin'wana xa leswi nga tshikeleriwa swinene hi xiphiqo lexi.
Since ngihamba la eBara ngale ndaba ye load shedding ngiyabona masihleli kuyacima kuba mnyama uyazi kube yilo leso siphithiphithi leso siyamemeza singama patient singazi ukuthi kwenzakalani yonke isystem ibuyele phansi.
Xibedhlele lexikulu laha tikweni Chris Hani Baragwanath eSoweto xi boheka ku hlawula eka matshungulelo ya bona.
We actually have elective services that are pre-planned, and due to this load shedding, like one of the areas as I've indicated, our St. John, the generator could not kick in on time, and the technicians had to go and attend to that. And obviously it delays the work because the cases are being scheduled timelessly. So obviously one way or another, one of the cases has to be shifted in order to accommodate the other services that could not be done on time due to the load shedding.
Loko ka halaviwa xintshunxo, vatirhi va xiyenge xa rihanyo va boheka ku ta na tindlela to tiyisisa leswaku vavabyi va hlayisekile.